How to use split screen on Windows. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to use the split screen mode on Windows. It's quite easy, so let's just jump right in. So there are quite a few ways that you can split screen on Windows. So let me just open a few applications here so that it will be easier for me to split screen. So here I have some applications open like my settings, my file explorer, recycle bin, and more. Let me just open up another application just to be sure. So, all right, as you can see here, I have different application. So I have my browser right here. So what I can do is drag my browser. So if it's full screen, you're going to minimize it first and then drag it up on your screen and you'll find the split screen option right here. So let's say if I want to split three application and I want my browser on the left side that covers the half of the screen. And on my right side, I can choose from any of these applications. So let's say if I choose this one. And on the bottom one, let's say if I choose my recycle bin. All right, so that's how you can split screen. This is the first way. You can even adjust which part of the screen is taking more. This is the first method. The second method is to actually long press or just hover your mouse over the applications, minimize or maximize button, and you can directly get the split screen option from here as well. So let's say if I just want this application on the left part of my screen, let's say if I want four application, I'm going to choose this here, this, and then this. As you can see, I've successfully split my screen into four different parts with four different applications, and I'm able to adjust it however I want. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically do the split screen on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.